Hello everyone, this is Ashish Sani from Innovate Yourself. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am back with another session on Rasa 2.0. In today's session, I am going to show you that how you can use the custom actions with Rasa 2.0, and also I will show you one more thing, and that will be very interesting thing for you. Suppose you have a chatbot and that chatbot is already deployed onto some website, and on there what exactly you have to do is you have to call an API, or let's say you have to open a URL, and that URL should be open on your browser. So that is all that I will show you today, and in this session I will show you that how you can open any video, or let's say how you can play any video from the Rasa chatbot. So this is all that we will cover in today's session. Now let's get started and let's see how to do that. Alright, as you can see over here on your screen, like this is a chatbot which we already created in the previous session, and in there I have already shown you that how you can use the forms, and I have already shown you that in the details, right? So I think you have already got the proper understanding for that. But still, if you have any doubts regarding that, you can watch that video and you can leave a comment below in the comment section, right? So let's move ahead now. So for that, today what exactly we will do is I will create a very simple thing. I'm going to ask my bot like play a video, or let's say open up this URL, whatever it is. You can say anything that you want. Based on that, what your chatbot will do is your chatbot will open your URL in a browser, which means now instead of only showing you that simple text message or button or anything, now we will open a browser, or let's say we will open a tab in a browser, and there your URL will be opened. So this is all that we will do. So this is a very basic thing, right? So for that there are two things. One is the intent, second one is the action, and this action is a custom action, right? So let me just add that part. So firstly let's add the intent, and the intent will be added inside the NLU part. So for that, let me just add it, just mention in the same way like we did before, right? So let me just add it. Let's say play video, right? And just add few examples for that. Alright, so this is the intent which I added over here, right? Now just copy the name and add it to the domain file, right? Go to the domain file. In here, just mention it. So intent is added. Based on that, the second thing is you have to add the action. But this time we are not adding any utter action like we did before. This time we will add a custom action, and that custom action will be added inside the actions.py, right? So for that, go in here, and inside this what we have to do is we simply have to create a new class, and that class will be a custom action, right? So let me just add it. Let's say action video is the class name, right? And this is the action. So I'm just inheriting it accordingly. Just mention the two methods. First one will be the name method, right? Just mention it and just return the name for it. Let's say action video. Alright, so this is the name for it. Similarly, now you have to do the second thing, and that is async def, and in here just type run. So this is the main method which will run all the things that you are actually setting up, right? So this is all that we are doing in here, right? So for that, what I have to do now is I have to open up a URL. I have to open up, or I have to play a video into a new tab of your browser. So this is all that I have to do, right? So for that, right now I haven't mentioned anything regarding that. So let me do one thing first. First, let's see what is the video that I want to run in here, right? So let me just go to the browser. Just go in here and just open the YouTube. Let's go to Innovate Yourself. Alright, so here you can see there are so many videos, right? So whichever you want to select, just select that and just copy the URL for it, right? So in my case, I'm going to use this one, the forms and details. So let me just copy the URL for it. So just open it first. So I have copied the URL. Now go back, and in here what exactly I will do is I will simply mention, let's say, video URL, video underscore URL equal to, just save it as a string, right? So this is the URL for it. And after that, now I have to open it in a browser, right? So for running it through the browser, I have to call one inbuilt module from Python, and that is web browser. So let me just import it here, import web browser. So you can see web browser. So this is inbuilt in Python, so you don't have to install it separately, you can directly use it, right? So you don't have to do anything else, right? Once you are done with this, after that, what I want to do is, like, I want to show, like, my chatbot is going to do some processing or something. So based on that, I want to display a very simple message first, and that simple message will be like, let's say, okay, so before opening your URL, what exactly it will do is it will display a message something like this: wait, playing your video. So this will be the message that will come first, and after that, what I will do, I will simply call this web browser dot open. So here you can see open, and inside this, what you have to do, you just have to mention the URL. And what is that URL? My URL is inside this variable, so just mention it here. So what it will do is, first it will display a message, and after that it will open the URL in a new tab, right? So this is how it will work. So based on this, what you can do is you can simply run, or you can simply open any URL in a browser using your chatbot. So this is how your chatbot can handle this request, right? So this is all that I have done. Now just return it. Alright, so everything is done on my end over here inside the actions file. Now just copy the name action underscore video, go to the domain file, add it under the actions, right? So I'm done up to this point. And after that, the next thing is to add a story regarding this, so that whenever I'm going to ask my bot, like, open the URL, play the video for me or something, whatever it is, so your bot should be able to handle that request, right? So now go in here and just create a new story, right? And you know, like, how to create a story, right? Because we have already done that part. So let me just give it a name, happy play video path, and after that just type the steps for it, and in here mention intent. What is the name of your intent? Name is play underscore video, just add it. Similarly, add the action, and what is the name of your action? And that action name is this action underscore video, just add it over here, right? So in this way, what I have done, I have created a new story with the intent as play video and the action as action underscore video, that will come from the actions file, which means it is a custom action. So that is all that we have done. Now you can train your model and you can test that whether your bot is replying according to that and it is opening the browser or not. So let's just verify that. So for that, do one thing, just train your model and run it again, right? So let me just do it, Rasa train, and I'm going to do both the things together so that I don't have to run the command separately, right? So let me just mention both of it. All right, so Rasa train, firstly it will do the training part, and after that it will open the Rasa shell for you, right? So just press enter and run it. And also do one more thing, go to this another tab, right? Or let's say in another terminal, and in here just run actions and press enter, so that it will run your action server as well, right? Now just wait for it to finish and we will see how it is working, right? Alright, so you can see here that your model has been trained and now it is running Rasa shell, and also in the parallel we are running your action server, so that means we can see the actions running, right? So let's talk to the bot and let's see the actions working or not, right? and for that you can see play video. So this is the intent as per the story which we have to type first. Based on that your chatbot will reply to you. So let me say play the mentioned video. Now let's press enter, and based on that what will happen is whichever will be your default browser, it will open your video into that browser. So this is how it is going to work. So just wait for it to finish and you will see your video is running in the browser. So as you can see in here on my screen, my video is playing. Can you see? I don't have to do anything, it is running automatically. I don't have to click on the play button, it is automatically running it, right? So this is how you can see you can run any custom action based on this, right? So I hope you have got a proper understanding like how it works, and now you will be able to apply it into your project whichever you're working on, right? And also especially if in case you are deploying it onto the website, there it is really important and really beneficial for your project, right? So this is all that you can do in here, and I hope everything is clear to you. But still, if you are facing any difficulties in understanding the topic, whatever I have taught you today, so feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. And also if you have liked this video, then do click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any videos from my channel. And also please share this video with everyone. So stay tuned and happy learning.